This morning's story is inspired by the ancient epic poem, The Conference of the Birds, by the Persian Sufi Muslim writer Attar. Once upon a time, all the birds in the land decided they needed a leader they thought would make their community stronger. Representatives of all the birds gathered to discuss finding a leader. "A leader will tell us the right things to do," said the robin. "Our leader must be wise," said the owl. "A leader must believe we each are important, big and small," said the tiny hummingbird. "I want the leader to be caring, like a friend," said the dove. "Yes, the leader will help us share and get along better," said the jay. "The leader must make us feel safe," said the hawk. "I know where you can find such a leader," said the red-crested hornbill. "It is the Smeorg, and he lives far from here." The birds were very excited. They said they were willing to go anywhere to find such a leader. "It might be dangerous," said the hornbill. A few birds looked troubled, but all the birds voted to go and find the Smeorg. The hornbill took off, and all the birds followed. They flew in sunshine. They flew at night. Days and days passed. Some birds got tired and left the group. Other birds were filled with doubt. How did they know the Smeorg really existed? Only the hornbill had ever heard of this bird. Some of the doubters dropped out, but others kept flying. One valley was filled with a fiery mountain. All the birds were afraid. I'm too small to make it over that mountain," lamented the tiny hummingbird. "No, keep flying. We can make it together. We will help you." And they did. The strong flyers helped the weaker flyers. The birds with good vision helped find food for the group. Along the journey, the birds learned how to better respect, share, and care for each other. It seemed that every bird had something special and unique to offer that made the journey easier. Finally, the hornbill announced, "We are here." The other birds looked round in anticipation. "Where is the Smeorg? We don't see it," they cried. "Come, it is over here," said the hornbill. The birds stood beside Hornbill and realized they were on the edge of a lake. They looked in and saw their own reflections. Then they understood. The Smeorg was not another bird. The Smeorg was all of them. All of them were the Smeorg. They remembered that each of them had something good and strong and special inside of them, and that each bird had gifts to bring to the community. They were all that was needed to keep the community strong. They knew now that together they could do anything.